Yeah. So I was just very confused. Ah.
Du könnt ihr ein gutes Brötchen zu euch nehmen und euch aufwärmen. Also nun los und rein.
It's a massive Apple store. So cute candle over there.
Sugar. Where did they have sugar?
I have sugar at home, like just white sugar.
Yeah.
Okay.
300 grams of that.
How many cookies you gonna bake, Carl?
It says it bakes like 8 large cookies.
Let's go.
Yeah, that's it. So now what we need is like chocolate, Cadbury's and white chocolate.
So here, you need Cadbury.
Any chocolate that you want.
I mean, I love mochis.
You need a large bar of milk chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
So Cadbury is the best one.
You mean this one? Or like, should like a bigger one?
Yeah. Like that one.
This one is a normal.
You're really furious.
Yes.
Get it? Massive.
That's massive.
Yes, Carl.
White chocolate. I got it.
I never tried Milky Bar.
But it's milk and cookies, so.
Do you want to get that?
No, oh yeah, it's here.
Just get a small one.
85p. So let's get 2 for the cookies.
That much?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go like sugar hype, like.
It's once in a lifetime.
All right. Okay, let's go.
Looks like it. Do you realize that I'm gonna be magic? I got the recipe for mash. I got the recipe for chicken. I got the recipe for cookies. Do you like my jumper?
Yes, really Christmassy. So we're gonna get champagne or no, but you wanna try red wine with hot chocolate. So we're struggling over here with like a bunch of wine and white wine, red wine. This is a Christmas part. Cracker.
It's got 6 for £8.
6 for £6. So we got the crackers. Hola.
Wow, there's
Next
one for you.
Look at that. Look at that. Woo. I actually don't have any jumper for Christmas. So
Wanna have a look at the jumper?
sure. Because I went to Primark the other day and they don't have any.
Oh,
Yeah.
sad.
I know. Where is it? Is it here? Where do you think it would be?
I want these. They're
Games
so
and
good. I actually don't have any kids. I
Should I
been in
get
England
these?
for 4 months.
I'm gonna dancing in the house with these shoes when cooking Christmas meal.
tights as well.
My
I need
outfit
it.
today, it's like
My
sweatpants
outfit's the
and this is my favorite jumper, Adidas.
outfit of the day. So, where's your bomber from? Jumper, Adidas.
Because inside was like fur,
That's
so
cute.
it's so warm.
And your sunglasses?
This is my retro super future
And trousers?
trousers, H&M.
And shoes? Converse.
As you can tell, here you go.
This is Portuguese local store. It was like 50 euros. So good.
Good
This
price.
is Primark, £9.
Yes, lovely
This
bag.
is CNA, I think.
CNA.
So that's like a Spanish store that we have in Portugal.
Uh-huh.
It was like 30 euros, I think. And these are Primark, £10.
Looks so comfy.
They are actually. Can I do it?
This is just a normal Santa hat, and then
No,
press it.
it's not working.
Look at that! It's so terrifying. Like, what the hell? Jesus.
I don't like it.
Me too.
It's so creepy. No.
Oh my god. No.
I don't like it. This for Val. Val, look what we've got.
12 cracker in there.
12 crackers. And
No! Behind is a surprise. You can
Okay.
show her behind.
you can't see.
Yeah. Sing it, Carol. Sing it.
I don't know the lyrics, I just know the chorus. So I actually do know the lyrics then. Vicky's cooking for me. I said to her, do you have food in your house? Because I was gonna come here with her because of the shopping. By the way, I'm really proud of us. We spent like £34 on a Christmas dinner. Like food for Christmas dinner, which is good. And I said to her, do you have food? So I was expecting her to give me like toast. She's making me dinner. That's so nice of her. That's potatoes that we just cut and flavored, I guess. You'll check on us after we have dinner ready. And yeah.
What egg did I put? So which one should I open?
Just take
The one with the star or the one with the Christmas tree?
that one that you're holding, yeah.
This one.
Yeah. Go hard. It's the bowling kit!
Oh yeah! Oh my god!
It's there.
Oh, that's so cool!
I'm zooming right into it.
Cool. Oops, these are here and there.
Where's the ball?
Sorry.
So
Here's the ball.
The ball's that little thing.
Yeah, this is the ball.
And then the...
You ready?
Yeah.
Two! Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Woo!
You win.
Oh, what is it? There's like letter in there.
I got one of those myself. Does it not have them on that one? Because it's got one on each cracker. It's the other side.
Oh. Have it. So get
So
one.
each person gets one. I've got one already, a blue one that I got today.
Where does Tarzan buy his clothes from?
Oh yeah, it's got jokes as well. I forgot about that.
So that one is where does the Tarzan buy
His clothes from. I don't know.
A jungle sale. This one, it's how do you communicate with fish?
I don't know.
You drop them a line. That's not funny.
Yeah.
So what day is it?
It's the 22nd.
22nd now. I think I haven't opened it since. Is it 16th open?
No.
17 is here.
16 is on the other side.
Oh,
where
here.
yeah.
So, oops. Gonna open.
Oh, that's cute.
Love that. Then 17. It's so hard to open sometimes.
Cute.
Another one. And 18 is over here. Another snowball.
Probably white chocolate.
And 19.
Oh, that's cute.
Snowman.
Look at that.
22. Is it today?
Mm-hmm.
Another snowball.
3 more days.
So I have
2 more days.
Yeah, so I have 23
And 24.
and 24.
And there's no 25.
Yes, there's no 25. So it's 2 more days too.
24 is the massive one.
It's Santa.
Cute.
It's him.